Hey weirdos, I know it's a bonus video. I had so many requests on how I did this holly but slowed down, so I'm going to show you how I did it. Super simple. I have a little bit of green gel polish, and I'm just going to start by making two like swoopy type lines halfway up the nail, starting at my free edge. You can do this in your cuticle area too if you want. And then I'm going to take the brush and kind of just flick out the edges of those two lines and make them a little fluffy, bushy, if you will. I know it's not your traditional holly that you normally see, but I kind of like this better. I feel like there's more creativity here. There's more dimension. It's more realistic. So that's the kind of holly I was feeling like doing. So I'm going to continue fluffing this out a little bit on both sides. Both those little lines are going to get completely fluffed out. Once I have those pretty much how I want them, I'm going to cure for a full minute. Now that I've gotten those completely cured, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of white gel polish and add just a little bit of highlight to this. So it's going to add to that dimension. Then I'm going to cure for another full minute. Now the leaves are completely done. I don't have to add anything else. If you wanted to go in with a darker green, you totally could. But I'm going to get my little berries on here. I'm just doing 3 little dots of red gel polish kind of in the corner. Then I'm going to cure for a full minute and top coat. So once the top coat is done, we are done. I hope this was helpful. All the products will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.